Hello, friends. Today I am going to share a wonderful story with you. The name of the story is The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. This story will be useful to all the English learners who want to improve their English. The title of the story is The Cap Seller and the Monkeys. So let's get started. Once, there was a cap seller in a town. He used to go from one village to other to sell his colorful caps. After he made few sales of caps, he became very tired. He decided to sit under a big tree to take rest for a while. Soon he slept off. There were many monkeys on the big tree. They saw the cap seller was sleeping under the tree. The monkeys were sitting on the top of the tree. The monkeys came down, took the caps from the cap seller's bag and wore them. Then they climbed the tree again. The cap seller woke up. He was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps. To his surprise, he saw the monkeys were wearing them. He found that monkeys were imitating him. So he started throwing his cap down, and the monkeys also did. So the cap seller collected all the caps, put them back in the basket, and went away happily. In this story, you will come to know that the cap seller uses his presence of mind. And the cap seller is really very intelligent, and the monkeys, as usual, very mischievous, very naughty. Now, let's try to understand the meaning of two difficult words over here. The first word is tired, means exhausted. Normally, when we get tired, we want to relax for a while. Next is imitating. Imitating is to copy. Normally, children imitate their parents, and that is the reason it is extremely important for parents to exhibit or show the right behavior in front of their kids, because kids end up learning the kind of things which their parents show them. Thank you.